Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today we are going to make chicken lababdar, which is an amazing chicken curry which is delicious and rich to taste. I have a kg of boneless chicken over here. You can take the one with the bone as well. In that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, salt to taste, and I'm just going to crack an egg in this. I'm going to mix this well and I'm going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, just let's fry these chicken cubes nice and golden. The chicken cubes are fried nice and golden. Let's remove them in a plate. The chicken pieces are fried and ready. Now let's make the gravy. For that, I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter is melted and the oil is hot. Let's add 4 finely chopped onions to this and fry them till they are golden. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt so that the onions get browned a little faster. The onions are nice and golden. I'm going to add 3 finely chopped tomatoes to this. And I'm going to saute this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. The tomatoes have cooked well. They've become nice and soft. I'm going to add 4 finely chopped green chilies, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this till the raw smell goes off. Let's add a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a tablespoon of red chilli powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Just going to saute this for a few seconds. I'm going to use tomato paste for this gravy. It's easily available in any store. Put 1/4 cup of this. Let's add half a cup of water to this. And I'm going to now dunk in all these fried cubes of chicken. Mix this well. I've diced 2 capsicums here, which I'm going to add as well. I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey to this. To this, I'm going to add a cup of water now. Reduce the flame. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of beaten cream, half a cup of grated cheese, I'm going to mix this well. Let's sprinkle a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Just mix this well and I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. We had kept the chicken to cook. And as you can see, the beautiful rich color that the chicken lababdar has got. The capsicum is cooked as well. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. The chicken lababdar can be had with parathas or rotis of your choice. So do try this delicious rich recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.